Hi guys, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I am making some old-fashioned lemonade from scratch, fresh lemonade, okay? So I got these lemons, I've washed them up, and I want you guys to see my little fruit bowl here. I just did a watermelon video, so I like to cut my watermelon so I can use them as a bowl. And so I got fruit in here. So these are great on a buffet table, or when guests come over, you can just chuck this in the garbage can. You don't have to wash dishes. Okay, so enough about my fruit bowl. Okay, so what I'm going to do, since I have a lot of lemons to squeeze, I'm going to use this citrus juicer. You can also use this. It's all good. So we're going to keep this simple and just let Mother Nature has done all the work, gave us beautiful fruits, and so I'm just going to squeeze it and then add a simple syrup. Okay, I'm cutting them all in half so that they can fit nicely on the juicer. Then I'm going to keep one and slice it for a garnish. I think I'm going to juice this one. And then I'm going to garnish with one. Okay. So this is going to get loud for a minute, but this is the way to go. You see how it gets all of that juice out? Okay, or you can do it like this. I normally cut that end off, but we're moving fast today. Or just squeeze it like that. Get these from the Dollar Tree. They work fine. Okay, I'm going to finish squeezing these, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, all of the lemons have been juiced, and I forgot to mention, you can also, like when you're making your simple syrup, you can also add just the peel. You can grate the peel and infuse your syrups with the lemon flavor. This is a quick and easy recipe. I didn't do that this time. These lemons are really, really fresh. Okay, so everything's done. You see all this? All of that. That's fiber. There's nothing wrong with this at all, but it's like when you're making drinks for other people, they don't want to see that, and especially like in a professional environment, you can't have stuff floating around. So like, if it's just for you, it's okay. And same thing with this. See all of this juice here? There's still a lot of, that's nothing wrong with this in your home, in your household. But, if you're doing it on a professional level, you're going to have to strain. So I'm straining this. This gave me 1 cup of lemon juice. See all of that that's left behind? I'm not going to strain it anymore. That's good enough for me. This is Mother Nature. She did good. Okay, so I got 1 cup of juice. So taste it. Really good. Okay, now this is my jug of simple syrup. And I use 1 cup. If I'm not making a gallon jug, you make 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and boil it until it all dissolves. I don't like my syrups really, really sweet. Okay, so I got 1 cup of juice. I'm going to add 1 cup of my simple syrup. Let's see how I like it. Then if you need more, if you want it sweeter, that's how you keep testing it. Just All right, I need more. I think I need another cup. You might even just need, a lot of times you have 1 cup of fruit drink, 3 cups of syrup. Let me try it again. That's getting there. I think 3 cups of syrup, because I didn't make this simple syrup really sweet, just nicely sweet for cocktails. Let me rinse this. Rinse that spoon out. Okay. Let's try it. That is perfect. So for this recipe, if you just get 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, add 3 cups of simple syrup, that's the perfect lemonade. Okay, guys, that is good. Okay, so the lemonade is made. So you can just, pour it on the rocks, serve it like, everyday use. But now I'm going to take this a little step further. I'm going to make a margarita. That's all I need. Rim the glass with salt. You can get these on Amazon. This is a part of my bar kit. I've always had this. Okay, so you got that. All right, I have my shaker full of ice. And I'm just going to do 1 shot of Patron. I'm going to have a 1 ounce shot. You don't ever want to spill that Patron like I did. I didn't have my little pour spout there. Okay. And I'm going to squeeze 1 lime, half of a lime. And then I'm going to put about 5 ounces of lemonade in here. Okay. I take my time. This is when I'm filming, guys, this is my fun time, And so this is time I'm really prepping for my house. That knife almost stabbed me in my toe. Okay. So when you're using a shaker, you shake it away. Shake it like over your head. So if something happens and you make sure you hold it here, especially we women, we have smaller hands, hold that, hold this area, and then hold it on the top. So nothing falls out. Okay. So we're going to strain it. You have to make sure you hold the strainer. Let me taste it first. Okay, so that's how we turn lemonade, freshly squeezed lemonade, and we turn it into a margarita. That's good. Cheers, guys. That's so good. I'm gonna Patron. People argue with you, say Patron isn't. It's the best to me. I tried all types of Patron. I'm like certified. When I went to bartending school, we had to get certified in tequila. We had to learn everything about it. And Patron has the best taste for me. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And give this, I'm going to have the recipe in the description box. And thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. All right, thank you guys. Salute. Bye, Mom. I'll see you in my next video.